Hey guys, Mr. Talbot here for you. Wanted to take a minute, kind of give you a rundown of what we are going to be working on here in week 4. It's September 28th, so if you are in the world history over the course of the whole year, this will hopefully guide you. Remember, this class home doc is super duper useful, so if you haven't bookmarked it yet, please do that. And because it's nice, because it's in addition to Schoology, it's a really nice and easy way to get into each of the different weeks. I'll just kind of let you see a preview of what's coming next, and you can always work about a week ahead if need be. For this week, though, in week 4, the main focus is going to be kind of first finishing up the ancient Athens assignment. So that discussion board is due today, the 28th. It's going to be kind of what I'm going to be grading during the Chiefs game tonight. And then we're kind of diving into topic 1.3. So make sure you do all the different steps, taking good Cornell notes with a summary on them, filling out the study guide, use the same study guide you've been filling out for the rest of this unit, and then doing the check for understanding, because all of that's going to be in the Unit 1 green folder. The notes this week are shorter than past weeks, so hopefully that helps. Where we really want to spend our time is on the Confucian and Taoist assignment. Again, in there, you're going to be seeing a tutorial video, and you get to that through the Unit 1 red folder. As always, ask me if you have any questions, send me emails, Microsoft Teams, office hours, any of those things are possible for you. And then if you need to finish up stuff from last week or get ahead, that's all available for there as well. So again, have a great week, guys. Let me know if you need help with anything.